What if I told you, you can create your custom character then fully customize it? With the power of AI tools like Nano Banana, you can create characters from a reference image, generate new angles, poses and settings in just seconds, and fully animate it accordingly even by just typing text. You can turn those images into realistic videos, all from a single platform powered by world's leading AI models. You can even create full cinematic scenes from text alone, a dragon standing beside a man on a mountain. Just like that, the video is born, and with simple prompts, you can guide every moment, from camera angles to motion, from light to mood, a few words, and imagination takes shape. You refine, you reshape, you guide, and the AI follows, building each frame as if it already knows your vision. That's how you can do all things. Now, let me show you how to do all of this by using EaseMate AI. Head over to the EaseMate AI website and click on the free try now button at the bottom. You'll see an interface showing the welcome message. Click on the icon of the top left corner, which expands the menu bar. Here, you'll find options like chatpdf, AI photo, AI video, and more. First, let's explore the chatpdf feature. Upload your reference PDF and you'll see an EaseMate AI chat session which helps you with any questions regarding the uploaded file. You'll also see suggested question prompts which align with your reference PDF feature. Now, let's type something like, I want to understand the scenario, and hit the send button. After analyzing your reference file, within seconds, you will get detailed explanation about the scenarios. You can able to see the detailed overview of each scenarios, and it will also suggest settings and tips to help you get the most out of the content. There are additional dedicated features such as a translator and math solver where you can directly upload screenshots or ask questions in the chat. This is particularly helpful for students to understand concepts and complete homework or assignments and learn from the basics to advanced concepts. Now, let's try solving a mathematical expression. You'll see that the result is not just the answer alone, but also explains it like a tutor, helping you learn how to solve the problem step by step. Next, let's explore the AI photo session. Here, you'll find AI image generation and AI photo converter. Let's go to AI image generator. You'll have both image to image and text to image options. First, we'll create a text to image prompt. To do this, we can use EaseMate AI itself to generate a suitable prompt, like a chest to head portrait of a 27-year-old handsome boy standing straight and looking at the cameras, ultra-realistic skin texture, hyper-detailed face, clean HD look, cinematic lighting, professional model photography vibe. Head over to the chat session and paste the given prompt. Within seconds, you'll get the refined prompt. Copy it and paste it into your text-to-image model. You can also enhance the prompt. And there are 3 aspect ratios available for GPT-4o model, and let's choose 1:1 ratio. When you click on the models, you will see other available models including Nano Banana, Flux Context Pro, and Max and Mid Journeys, Fast, Relax, and Turbo models. Let's select the Flux Context Max model and set the ratio to 1:1. Hit the generate button. It will take some time to generate a highly detailed image. When your image is ready, you will be able to see the preview. And now our character is ready. Then save the image to your computer by right-clicking and choose the Save as Image option. Now let's navigate back to Image to Image tab to upload the generated image by clicking the Choose File option. Once the image is uploaded, select the 1:1 ratio and choose any image generation model from the list. For instance, let's choose Nano Banana model. And now, simply enter a prompt to apply on your character. Make him wear a red hoodie and sunglasses. Hit the generate button. You will then see your final image output without losing any facial features, which is exactly similar to the reference image. Then save the image to your computer by right-clicking and choose the Save as Image option. Save the image, then upload it again into the image-to-image model. Once the image is uploaded, choose the aspect ratio and enter a new prompt like make him holding a Pepsi can. Select Nano Banana as your image generation model and hit generate button. Let's wait for some seconds to generate the image. Usually the image will be ready within 10 to 15 seconds, which is faster and high quality output. As you can see, character consistency is amazing and product is properly fine. Right click over the image preview and save image as your preferred format and head over to the AI video tab. Upload the image you just created. Once the image is uploaded, select the 1:1 ratio and enter a new prompt. Inside the generation prompt, you will see a placeholder showing turn the static image into dynamic video. Let's add a new prompt here. For example, make him show the Pepsi can towards the camera and take a sip with a smile. There are different video generation models: Runway, VO3, VO3 Fast, Seedance, Kling Standard, Pro, Master and One video generation models. Let's choose Kling Master and set the quality to 720 pixels and duration to 5 seconds and hit generate button. After a short wait, your video will be ready. This is how you can create a custom character, perfect to promote your brand, your journey or your product. Now let's create a video from text. Head over to the text to video tab and paste your prompt here. You can generate this prompt by using AI chat inside EaseMate itself, like the one we have done earlier. Here in the prompt you can see the details added which will help the model to generate a high quality, highly detailed image. Choose the 16:9 ratio. Select the video generation model from the list. So you can experiment with all of the video generation models listed here. For instance, let's choose Seedance Pro model. Set the quality to 1080p and duration to 10 seconds, then hit generate. The video generation will take some time so that we will get the highly detailed and consistent video as output. You can see the quality of the video that we just created. The detailing and the consistency in the video is perfect. We can also able to fully customize the camera controls and visuals by providing the prompt. If you want to extend the duration of the video, let's take a screenshot from the video just generated. To extend the video, take a screenshot of the final frame and upload it to the image to image tab. After the image is successfully uploaded, let's select a model from the list. For instance, selecting Nano Banana as the model, choose the 16:9 aspect ratio and enter a prompt like extreme close-up on the person's face as he touches the dragon's face gently. Scroll down and click on the generate button. After the image is generated successfully, save it by right-clicking on any part of the image preview and choose the save as image option. Next, go back to the image to video tab and upload the generated image. Select the aspect ratio and write the prompt, turn static image into dynamic video. You can also control the animation by prompting, specifically including the camera angle and visual appearance. From the list, choose the video generation model. I have selected Kling Master model and set the quality to 720 pixels and duration to 5 seconds. Now generate the video by clicking the generate button. The high quality close-up image is now turned into a high quality video output with consistent character and cinematic color grading. Finally, for another approach, select the text to video tab and paste your prompt. You can see that this prompt is highly detailed and is able to control the camera angles and environment lighting by prompting it in a detailed way with the help of EaseMate AI itself. Choose your preferred aspect ratio. I've selected 16:9 here. Now, select the video generation models. For instance, let's choose the VO3 Fast model. Set the quality to 720 pixels and set the duration to 8 seconds. Finally, hit the generate button and that's it. Your video is ready. EaseMate is one of the best tools to access all of the AI models at one place. You receive daily credit for generating videos and the platform offers very affordable plans. Must sign up, link in the description.